Everyone, this is Nitin sir. Today I am going to teach you factorization. Earlier I posted a video on algebraic identity. So if you have any confusion, go and check my description and check about algebraic identity. Now I am going to start my class. This will help in class 8, class 9, even in class 7 little bit. So algebraic identities. See children, I already have written the heading factorization of algebraic expression. That is Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. Subscribe my channel, like and follow the video. So now, in first part of algebraic factorization, the most important thing is SCF of monomials. That is, SCF of monomials means if you have two terms in algebra, first of all find out the numericals and the literal terms, that is alphabet. For example, 9x cube and 15x square. So SCF of 9 and 15, that is the numerical, and then x cube and y, that is, and x square and y, that is alphabet, literal terms. So SCF of 9 and 15, highest common factor or the factor of 9 is 139, 15 135. 3 is common, so we will take 3 here. Here x cube y, that is x cube dot y, x square y, that is x square y. So we will take x square, the minimum power, and then y same power. So answer is 3x square y. By this you will do the SCF of monomials, the basic of the factorization. Now by taking common factor, a very simple terms, common factor, check here, 5x square, 5x cube, 20x. So here you can see the least degree of x is 1. The least degree of x is 1. So you take x common, x to the power 1. And then if you check 5, 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 5 4 ja. So 5 is common. So take 5. So here 5x already taken out. So x to the power 2, this is x to the power 1. Plus 5 3 ja 15, 3. X already taken, so x square. Minus 5 4 ja 20, x to the power 1 already taken. So this is your by taking common factor. See the other example. 3x minus 2y, 2y minus 3x. Tentatively I have written this one. So here you have a plus and minus, a problem of including plus and minus, sign problem. So first of all, a 3x minus 2y. Now if you take minus common, this will be plus minus minus, and then this 3x will be the positive and 2y will be the negative. Now you check, these two terms are common. So 3x minus 2y is common, a minus b. So here the minus problem, the sign problem. You have to take the minus or plus also sometime as a common factor. Now second question. Moving for the another question. 27, 45. These are the multiple of 9. So take 9 common. A3, A4. AQ is the least power. Then BQ, B square. B square is the least power. Now bracket. 9 has already taken from the 27 multiple. So 9 3 ja. AQ already outside. BQ, that is B square. So B minus 9 5 ja 45. AQ already taken. So this is A. B square already taken. This is taking the common factor common. Now you check in this question also, x plus y, 4x minus 5y minus x plus y, 2x plus 3y. So you take first of all x plus y common. My dear friends, first of all x plus y common. Then here 4x minus 5y. Minus, my favorite language, whenever a minus, you keep bracket before if more than one number, because minus operate both number. So here x plus y 4x minus 5y minus 2x minus 3y bracket. So this is as it is, 4x minus 2x, this is 2x minus 5 minus 3 minus 8y. This will be your answer. X plus y is as it is. So these are the common example of a factorization, a common basic part of factorization. You can say this is the introduction of factorization. Introduction of factorization. Now moving toward the grouping the terms. Grouping the terms. Maybe the terms are not given according to the common y. So you check here 1 plus x and xy and x square y. If I will take 1 plus x as it is and here xy is common. Now you check xy is common. So here 1 and then plus x. Y is already outside. So 1 plus x is common and then 1 plus x we will take common. So here 1 plus x y. Sometime this type of question is also. Check the second one. X square minus y plus y, xy minus x. So first of all x square plus xy arranging, then minus y minus x. Now you check here x common, x plus y, here minus 1 common. So y plus x or x plus y is both value similar. So we will take y plus x or x plus y common, then x minus y. Arranging the terms. Now you check the third one. A square minus b square c, b square minus c square. First of all we will multiply a square c minus b square c plus b square a minus c square a. Now you take a square c minus c square a plus b square a minus b square c. Take here ac common, then c a minus c plus ab common, AB common. So B square is common, not AB common. B square is common. So A minus C. So now A minus C and A minus C both are common. A minus C taking out AC plus B. Like this. Take this question XY minus BA, BY minus XA. If you check XY plus BY minus BA minus XA. Now you take y common, so x plus b, here minus a common, b plus x, a plus b or b plus x, so this is equal, so x plus b is common, y minus a. Now difference of 2 square, this is the previous knowledge. Go and see the description. This is given in the algebraic identity. When the 2 square, a square minus b square, this will be a plus b and a minus b. We have to form the question in form of a square minus b square. Now you check the first question. 16x square minus 25 square. This will be 4x whole square minus 5y whole square. So now a square minus b square, this is 4x plus 5y, 4x minus 5y. Check the second one. Now this is not given in a square b square, but if you take 2 common and a common, it will be a4 minus 16. This is equal to 2a whole square minus 4 whole square bracket. So this will be 2a square plus 4, a square minus 4. And you can write this one 2a square plus 4. This will be also further factorized a plus 2 a minus 2. This question a plus 2 a minus 2. Now check this, the third one, 48x square minus 243y square. If you take 3 common here, if you take 3 common here, it will be 16x square minus 81y square. Now very simple, this is 4x whole square minus 9y whole square. So 3 is common, 4x minus 9y 4x plus 9y. A minus b, a plus b. This will be the answer. Check here this question. 16 to fourth one. First of all, 36x plus y, 49x minus 2y. So first of all, this 6 will become this side. 6x plus y whole square minus 7x minus 2y whole square, because 36 is the square of 6. So I am making a square minus b square. Now this is 6x plus 6y whole square minus 7x minus 14y whole square. This is a square b square is equal to a plus b. I am proceeding everything, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. Now you check a plus 6x plus 6y plus 7x minus 14y. This is a plus b, a plus b. Now 6x plus 6y minus, again two values, so we will keep bracket, 7x minus 14y bracket, 6x plus 7x 13x, 6y minus 14y minus 8y, 6x minus 7x minus x, 6y minus 14 plus 20y, using a minus b. Again you check this question. 6x 36, that is 6x plus y whole square minus 7x minus 2y whole square, 6x plus 6y whole square minus 7x minus 14y whole square, a square minus b square. This is a plus b, a minus b. So proceeding this, 13x minus 8y, and then 6x minus 7x, that is minus x, 6y minus plus, so plus 20y. Again you check here, 16 2p minus 1 whole square. Now this question will be done by you, the audience. Okay, and if you don't know the answer, give me the comment. Next time I will solve this one. This is your homework. Sometime now I am going to give. Watch the video till the end, so you will get everything. Sometime you are watching only half portion, that will not useful. So now factorization of a perfect square. Perfect square, already it is said, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. I have written here a plus b whole square, a minus. If you have any problem about the identities, go and check my description. The video link is given there about algebraic expression. So now you check a square 14a plus 49, a square as it is, plus 2ab term is, check here, a degree 1, or you can say the other term, if all three are, to find the two terms are square, 49 is the square, this is plus 7 whole square, so 2a 7 to the 14, so this will be a plus 7 whole square, this is a plus 7, a plus 7. Very simple. Check here, 4x whole square minus 1 already whole square plus, so 2 4x into 1, so this is 4x minus 1 whole square, this is 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1. Complete. Now you check this question, 9a square plus 24ab plus 16b square, 9a 3a whole square complete square, 4b whole square plus 2 3a into 4b, 4 3, this is what, 3a plus 4b whole square, this is 3a plus 4b, 3a plus 4b. This one is the homework. This one is the homework. You go and check, find the factorization. Now factorization of trinomials, this is the basic part of the factorization for the children is in class 8 or moving toward the class 9 and 10. How to do middle term splitting. I told earlier, please watch full video because I am going to give you some Nitin sir mathematics. This is not given in any book. This factorization method. I am going to tell you about my method, trick. Check here. If the terms are given ax square plus bx plus c, first of all the degree 1 coefficient b split into P plus Q, and PQ is equal to the product of coefficient of x square and the constant term. Okay, fine, this will be given. But what is my trick here? I have a one trick, ax square plus bx plus c. If coefficient of x square and constant, both signs are same, plus plus or minus minus, I have given here concept, same sign. If same sign, split the bx in downward. Downward means 10 is splitting into 9 and 1, 8 and 2, 7 and 3. This is downward direction with the sign I have written here. And then both P and Q are same sign. If ax square plus bx plus c, opposite sign, minus plus or plus minus, split bx into upward direction where P as it is what bx, it means the sign of P as it is what is the bx, and the Q is opposite to P. How to do upward? Suppose 10 minus 11 plus 1 minus 12 plus 2, or plus 11 minus 1 plus 12 minus 2. Likewise you will do the split. Now I am going to give you one example. Check. Condition 1, x square minus 21x plus 108 plus and plus, same sign in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So what to do? Minus 20 will go downward. I have written the all trial and error. Minus 20 minus 1, it will minus 21, but 20 into 1 will give you only 20. We have to find the product. PQ is equal to AC. So now minus 19 minus 2, minus 18 minus 3, minus 17 minus 4, minus 8. So like this, minus 12 minus 9. Minus 12 and minus 9 is equal to what? Minus 21. And 12 9s are 108. So x square minus 21x plus 108 will be x square minus 12x minus 9x plus 108. So x is common, x minus 12 minus 9 is common, x minus 12. So x minus 9, x minus 12. This is the basic part of how to do trinomials. Second condition, if first is plus, second is minus, or second is minus, first is minus, second is plus. In this 2a square minus 17a minus 30. So check here, this is minus, this is plus. So 17 should be in upward direction. So 17, first sign as it is, P as it is. So P is minus, so minus 18, and opposite. Second one is opposite, plus 1. Minus 19 plus 2, minus 20 plus 3. This is equal to minus 17, and 20 into 3 minus 60. 20 into 3 minus 60. So now 2a square minus 20a plus 3a minus 30. Take 2a common, a minus 10 plus 3 common, a minus 10. So a minus 10, 2a plus 3. Now going with the trick. 9x square, 16 9s are 144, and this is plus, this is plus. So minus 24 will be 12x minus 12x plus 16. You can go with like this, minus 24, and you just minus 23 plus 1 dot 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 minus 12 minus 12. So here 3x common, 3x minus 4, minus 4 common, 3x minus 4. So 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4. This is the a minus b whole square also. But tentatively I have given in the middle term splitting. So it will be the perfect square also, and the perfect square will be the solved by the middle term splitting also. Now my dear friend, these two are your homework. In the next video, if you will give me write the comment, I will solve this. Otherwise I am not going to solve. If you have any difficulty, go and see my the algebraic identity. Till then, subscribe my channel, take care, and if you have any wish to Nitin sir will make a video for you, please write the comment. Write the comment. Till then, take care, be at home, stay at home. God bless you. Bye bye.